Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. In this video, I'm going to be discussing about walls. For this very drawing, I used 6 inches wall for my design. So the size of the wall that is present here is 6 inches, which is 150 millimeter or 0.15 meter. There are situations whereby you need to use different wall size for your building construction. In when you are designing such plan, you can decide to show the other size of wall that is not up to maybe the, let's say, the size, the initial wall that you started in your building construction. So you can decide to indicate the size of the wall. Let's say, for example, you use 9 inches, for example, for your story building design. Let's say the ground floor is 9 inches block, then the upper floor is 6 inches block, for instance. So instead of you to design with 9 inches and for your design at the bottom, then for the upper floor and design with 6 inches, you can just use 9 inches for the ground and the up. Just difference of the number of inches on for the wall will be added or subtracted from the space that is close to it. Most times I do normally prefer to use 6 inches for my design, 6 inches wall, because it's more, it depends on what you want. For me, I prefer 6 inches wall for my design. I used to design both the ground floor and the upper floor, but during construction, the, let's say the ground floor I use 6 inches, then the upper floor can be 5 inches, or me designing with 6 inches for my design, then the outside becomes 9 inches. That means there's 9 inches block for the, let's say, for the ground floor. You can I can go ahead with the 9 inches block. Then the difference will just be little of 3 inches, plus or minus 3 inches difference, which might be taken from the space that is close to the wall, or it can be taken the from the space that is available from the from the building. So the 6 inches can be taken away from the plot, or it can be taken away from the space that is close to the wall. That's talking about the, let's say, for example, we have 10 feet by 12 feet size of room, and no, let me not use that. Let's say, for example, I have a bedroom of 15 feet by 15 feet, and I design it with, let's say, I design with 6 inches for my design. Then the block that is placed is down 9 inches. So the, if I decide to take from the space, then the space there will not be, yeah, it should still be up to the measurement. But if I decide to place another thing inside that 15 feet by 15 feet space, let's say toilet, for example, which is not, it's not ideal for a 15 feet by 15 feet space. I'm just trying to explain. Then if, for example, you take toilet from it, then many space that will be available will not be complete. There will be shortage of, let's, 3 inches. There will be shortage of 3 inches to never be that full 15 feet measurement, in subtraction with the size of the wall and the space that is available. Let's say, for example, let me just explain proper. Let's say 15 feet space. You decide to take a, let's say, 4 feet toilet space from it. Then instead of it to be shortage of the space of the toilet wall, now since we have wall of 9 inches, no longer 6 inches, so the other space that is remaining will no longer be complete. The measurement they will no longer be complete. There will be shortage of 3 inches. If you are designing with 6 inches wall for the ground floor and the upper floor, you can use the same 6 inches for the two, but when you get to side there will be little adjustment. But if you don't want something like that, you can just go ahead and draw exactly the size, the thickness, the size of the wall for your design. For example, the ground floor is 9 inches, then 9 inches block, you use 9 inches for your design. Then the upper floor 6 inches, then you use 6 inches for your design to make everything okay. So it all depends on your choice. None is bad, but the one that does not work with the exact size of the block, there is always shortage of the space or the compound. So that's just it.